could drones be changing the face of conflict in Ukraine in 2023? The answer is a resounding yes. The year kicked off with an announcement from Ukraine's defense minister, Oleksiy Reznikov, that the country's military would invest approximately $550 million on drones. This marked a significant shift in Ukraine's defense strategy, with deals signed with 16 Ukrainian manufacturers to boost domestic production. As we moved into October of 2022, Ukraine found itself at the center of international diplomacy. The country invited UN experts to inspect downed drones of Iranian origin, allegedly used by Russia. This development sparked a whirlwind of discussions among major global powers. The United States, Britain, France, and Ukraine argued that these drone transfers violated the 2015 Iran nuclear deal. By the time December rolled around, the UN was knee-deep in investigations. Allegations had surfaced that Iran supplied Russia with drones, a claim both Russia and Iran vehemently denied. UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres stated that the Secretariat was examining all available information and would report any findings to the Security Council. So what does this all mean for Ukraine in 2023? 3 key points stand out. Firstly, Ukraine is significantly ramping up its investment in drone technology, signaling a strategic shift towards more advanced warfare tactics. Secondly, the use of drones in the Ukrainian conflict has attracted international attention, turning the spotlight on Iran's alleged involvement and putting Russia under the microscope. And finally, the UN's involvement in investigating drone use in Ukraine underscores the global implications of this issue. In the grand scheme of things, the use of drones in Ukraine in 2023 has not only changed the battlefield, but has also reshaped the global discourse on warfare and technology. The ripple effects of these developments will undoubtedly be felt worldwide for years to come.